Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Talel. Talel has been trading with us from the 18th of March up until this present date of 27th of May 2021. Um, Talel has gained 11.43% absolute gain, and we have a daily gain of 0.15%, a monthly gain of 4.70%, and a drawdown of 5.34%. So coming down, Talel's had a staggering 587 trades. So looking at the advanced statistics, our 343 trades, which has been won out of a grand total of 587, gives us 58% return. And Talel's lost 244 out of 587, which gives us 42%. So it's very interesting and very staggering amount of trades. Let's see what Talel has traded. And Talel has traded quite a few pairs, as you can see. So we're just going to pick out the main ones where Talel's made money, and that is the pound yen. This is a pair that stands out. 127 trades, 2,306.7 pips, and 1,932.2 pips with a grand total of 1,185.18 pips. So the pound yen, Talel's a master of this pair, followed by the pound US dollar. And I tell people, stick to what you know that makes money for you. And the pound yen, Talel's done very well. Look at the advanced statistics, 0.05% in March, 7.25% in April, and 3.85% in May. So that well done and very good money management. But I would like to look at a few of your trades because I know they're going to go on for days. But looking at the lot sizes, keeping the lot sizes consistent, as we can see, the pip range is 1.6, 2 pips, 5 pips, small consistent pip gains as we can see. But as the account goes on, you can see Talel's probably a scalper coming in and out of the market with short time frames, and as you can see, clean profits just in and out of the market. So this is a very good effective way of to make money in the market, and Talel's doing very well with this, as we can see, 23.9, 24.2, 26.7, and vice versa. So we're doing quite well here. So I would recommend always use a stop loss, because not using a stop loss will lead to trading disruptive habits. Trading disruptive habits, that's like trading with a negative mindset, FOMO, revenge trading, trying to catch up on money you've lost trading, trying to force trades, using too much margin, and taking your personal losses personally. Trading is a psychological game. Master your mindset and you have absolute control of your profits. But not mastering your mindset, you're going to leave yourself in a situation of rooms of uncertainty. So I always recommend, when you're unsure where price action is going or what is happening in the market, I strongly recommend you stay out of the market. If you can't see a long position, stay out. If you can't see a short position, stay out. You don't lose money by taking no action. Congratulations on your achievement. I would like to see a few improvements, and if anything, on your advanced statistics, your advanced analytics, where you got 58%, you can actually try and make a few adjustments and get that 58% up. So what I'm saying is, try and reduce your losses by 5%, which will bring you to about 37%, and try and increase your gains by another 5% by 63% on the next review. So that's a challenge there for you. Congratulations on your achievement.